Hey Gary, how are you? It's good to see you. Good to see you again. This is my wife Lane, and I'm John if you don't recall, but yeah, this is pretty cool to see this stuff. Can't believe they're letting us in here to look this closely. This is pretty awesome. Sorry, what did you say about beast mode? Oh, I guess that must be the tri-motor then. Oh, here, oh my goodness. Woo-hoo-hoo. That thing is huge. Dang.
Like a steel lamination with some wire. That's right. The internals. I tell you, everything's over. Yeah, there's a reason why it's saying yeah, it's fun. That's part of the program.
845.
Yeah. And that's just 845 for these two?
It's combined.
Oh, combined, plus front, plus back. Okay, gotcha. But still, I was like, oh my gosh, if you get a third motor on top of that, that's crazy. That's a really impressive unit. No, that's a huge amount. Yeah. So it's got two in there in this version. So the single motor just has like one that looks more like the one on the front. Okay, gotcha. Wow. Very cool.
This is the rear driving it for the
So cool to see it on the line behind.
I know. Here, can you hold this for 1 second for me? I'm going to do something. I'm going to cheat this and just put this on here too. That way I can just take it off if I want to give it to somebody and have them talk. Wow. Man. Gosh. All the edges are so ridiculously sharp on it. Wow.
Picture with it.
Okay. Cool, thanks. Yeah, you can just snap it in there.
Dr. Know-It-All. I'm David.
Hey David.
I said hi to you on the bus, but
yes, exactly.
I enjoy your videos a lot.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Quite,
I'm just sitting here being blown away today, going like,
crazy?
holy mackerel!
I know.
This stuff is amazing.
It's wild.
Yeah. This is so cool. Is this your first time in the factory, or had
No,
you
I
been
came
there?
here during Investor Day.
Okay.
Back in March.
Yeah.